So the question goes, how can I incorporate these following websites both in online and face-to-face classroom? Let's go first with blogging. Through blogging, students learn how to use the internet wisely and appropriately, share their ideas and knowledge to different people. The exposure that students can benefit from utilizing blog helps them to connect in the society by bridging and expressing ideas relevant to modern world. In this way, social literacy can be taught to the class due to the reason that online platform is one of the means to engulf in social interaction. Twitter, for example, let us help students be familiar with the application Twitter, help or create activities that concerns with in terms of giving opinions and let them post it on the blog. Second is website for the classroom. When we talk about websites for the classroom, this is very online classes. So for example, Google Classroom, keeping students informed of class events and giving them the chance to write for and contribute to the class website will teach them valuable internet communication skills. Other than that, they will also learn social skills as they will be acquainted with the names of their classmates. For example, creating group mates in the Google Classroom or having them work in group, for example, in a certain task. Next is video conferencing. There are countless uses for video conferencing, and that is true. It opens up a world of social opportunities to conference with a local professional or students from any other countries to create interaction that has the potential to educate students greatly about the people they interact with. For example, video call and Messenger, Skype, Google Meet, and any other video conferencing apps. For example, I use Skype as channel for my online class with my Korean, Taiwanese, and Filipino students. I am an ESL teacher and I use this app to interact with them. But using this, we can, of course, in the online class, we use this platform to connect with our students as they are having this online class instead of the face-to-face classes. Next is social networking websites. Social networking websites give students the chance to quickly get to know and learn about people from all over the world. Facebook, Instagram, podcasts, and stuff helps us connect with one another. We are immersed with different cultures in social networking sites, with different races and people with different opinions. Creating activities that foster students' engagement with these social networking sites will help them to understand the world. Now, how can we inculcate social literacy when it comes to face classes or in the classroom setting? For example, group projects. Students have the chance to interact in person and engage in social interactions through group projects. It is absolutely essential that students learn how to effectively interact with others and participate. Reporting, role playing, and seminar help students learn communication skills in a way that they can interact with one another. They share their thoughts, ideas, and opinions in such a way that it will benefit the group. And next is peer reviewing. Peer reviewing teaches students how to provide helpful criticism and effectively express their ideas. It's important to be able to critique others' ideas and do so constructively. For example, a midterm exam will take place. It is beneficial, based on my experience, to collaborate with peers in terms of reviewing materials. In this way, you can easily grasp the lesson and constructively correct the mistakes that you have done. And of course, there's this connection, there's this bond with other people that we get to talk to. Next is field trips. Field trips can help students broaden their horizon and educate them about various cultures by taking them to a museum or arranging for them to volunteer in community and need. Even on a simple field trip, learning how to travel in groups, interact with authority figures, and cooperate as a one is such an essential way to evaluate social literacy. So we can help students to be social literate through field trips because they are getting to be immersed in the outside world where they interact socially with people, their peers, and the community.